Today, we're tearing down Samsung 5000 mAh Qi2 magnetic wireless power bank. This product comes with a built-in folding stand. It supports 15-watt Qi2 magnetic wireless charging and 25-watt wired fast charging. The box includes the power bank, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. The body features a soft touch finish. It comes with a built-in aluminum alloy folding stand. The back features a circular magnetic attachment area. It is designed to avoid blocking the cameras and provides a secure magnetic hold. The bottom features an aluminum alloy folding stand and indicator lights. One side features a recessed tactile power button. The other side features a bidirectional USB-C fast charging port. The power bank measures about 102.48 millimeters in length. The width of it is about 67.59 millimeters, and the thickness of it is about 14.27 millimeters. It weighs about 138.6 grams. It is compact and portable. The battery has a typical capacity of 5000 mAh. Its rated capacity is 4855 mAh. Wired output reaches up to 25 watts, while wireless output reaches 15 watts. Our testing shows support for the mainstream PD 3.0 fast charging protocol. The PDO profiles support 5 volts at 3 amperes and 9 volts at 2.77 amperes. It also supports a PPS range of 5 to 11 volts at 2.25 amperes. It offers broad compatibility. Now let's begin the teardown. We pry open the housing along the seam. Inside, there is a graphite thermal sheet and cushioning foam. The mainboard is covered by a protective plate. The wireless charging coil is wound with Litz wire. A thermistor in the center monitors the temperature. After removing the screws, we can separate the mainboard. The battery cell comes from ATL. It is rated at 3.88 volts, 4855 mAh, and 18.84 watt-hours. It has passed CCC certification. The overall mainboard layout is extremely compact. The core circuitry uses a complete highly integrated solution from NuVolta. 3 main chips work together. This enables efficient and stable charging and discharging in a compact design. The NuVolta NU17113 serves as the wireless charging controller. It handles the Qi2 protocol and fast charging identification. The NuVolta NU6801 handles battery charging, discharging, and power path management. The NuVolta NU3120 handles high-efficiency buck-boost conversion. This ensures stable 25-watt high-power output. It also features a FudanMicro FM1210 authentication chip. This meets the secure encryption requirements of the Qi2 standard. The power components include the Wayon WMQ46N03T. They also include the Wayon WMB099N10LG4. They provide lower power loss and generate less heat under high current conditions. This makes extended fast charging more stable. The power bank features 2 thermistors. They monitor the coil and battery temperatures in real time. Combined with graphite heat dissipation and electromagnetic shielding, it provides complete OVP, OCP, and OTP. This makes it safer to use. Finally, here is the product's bill of materials for easy reference. This Samsung magnetic wireless power bank features a refined, portable, and practical design. It uses a complete, highly integrated solution from NuVolta. It is paired with an ATL battery cell and power components from leading brands. The internal structure is compact, with a comprehensive heat dissipation design.